Mapagpalang araw po, I'm Jeremiah, here again for Daily Devotion. Ang title ng devotion natin ngayon is Lazarus Effect, Jesus the Resurrection. Kaya basahin na natin yung verse for today. The verse is from John 11 verse 25. Jesus said, I am the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live even though they die. Kaya let's proceed na sa ating teachings. First is, the resurrection proves the messenger. Kahit sino pwede magsabi or magbitaw ng mga big word or promises. Kahit sino pwede mag-claim na pinadala sila ni God. Pero si Jesus, hindi niya lang sa salita pinrove yung sinasabi niya. And pinrove niya yun with resurrection. Yung resurrection na yun proves that Jesus is not a fake or just someone pretending to be the Son of God. Next naman is, the resurrection proves the message. Si Jesus, hindi niya lang pinreach or hinope na totoo yung resurrection. Siya mismo yung naging proof. Kung nagstay siya doon sa grave niya and hindi siya na-resurrect, yung words niya magiging empty words lang. Pero nabuhay siya, and that alone is enough para maging proof ng message niya. Yung resurrection Jesus, pinaprove nito yung message niya ay hindi hollow, and it's the living truth. Third naman is, the resurrection proves the coming judgment. Yung resurrection also reminds us na di lang death yung katapusan. Meron pang beyond that. And if si Jesus, na-conquer niya na yung death, and one day, lahat tayo tatayo sa Kanya. Ibig sabihin nun is, yung mga life matters na, life choices natin, yung faith natin is nagmamatter. And yung resurrection, ina-assure tayo ni God na hindi, and si God ay hindi pa tapos. Meron pang justice and meron pang hope para dun sa mga believers. Next naman for the application. First is, plan in the light of the resurrection and eternity. Huwag ka mabuhay ng stagnant lives habang buhay. Yung time mo, yung choices mo, and priorities mo, magmamatter beyond life today. And dapat tanungin mo yung sarili mo kung yung choices na gagawin mo or yung choices na pipiliin mo is magmamatter sa eternity. Next naman is, prove your faith by living a renewed life. Kung naniniwala ka sa resurrection, yun, magbibigay yun ng bagong hope and makikita yun sa pamumuhay mo ngayon. Yung bagong hope is maglilid yun sa much better habits na makakapagdala sa iyo sa tamang direksyon and patungo kay Lord. And dapat yung faith natin maging visible, hindi siya kailangan maging perfect, and kailangan lang nito maging totoo. Next naman is, participate in Christ's work of defeating death. Kapag nag-share ka ng gospel, ng hope, or pag pinipili mo magmahal, and every time na pinaglalaban mo si God, nagtitake part ka sa victory ni Christ over death. And ipapaalala mo sa mundo na hindi mananalo yung kamatayan, pero si Jesus, matatalo niya yung kamatayan. Yun lamang po for our daily devotion. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig and God bless.